FinTech Connect Live is just around the corner now, and I wanted to talk to you to give you a sneak preview of all the exciting things that are happening on site at the event. And don't forget, it is the UK's largest gathering of early stage FinTech startups right the way through to established blue chip tech companies and big financial institutions. We've got 100 exhibitors, partners, sponsors all on site at the event, 50% of whom are pre-Series A funded startups. So you will meet startups that you may never even have heard of before, let alone met, which is great. You're going to meet the guys that are the next generation of FinTech innovators. There's a big conference on site at the event with space for 500 people. We've got lots of the first generation startups there, talking business leaders from the likes of Nutmeg, Asimo, Currency Cloud and more, talking about the steps that they went through to launch and grow their businesses. Some fantastic insights there. We've also got a mentoring network on site at the event so that you can book in 20-30 minute sessions with experienced FinTech practitioners. Really invaluable time for you to receive guidance or support on a particular issue that you may be experiencing at the moment. We've also got a fantastic exhibition with lots of demos going on, and in particular a dedicated showcase theatre with around 50 startups, each doing a 10-minute presentation on their products and services. Lots going on. I really recommend that you come down to Wembley Stadium December 8th and 9th for FinTech Connect Live. Hope to see you there.
When we put together this very exciting event, we had three key differentiators for us. We want it to be different, we want it to be global, and we want it to be holistic in our approach. Global, that means that we decided to work closely with institutions like UKTI, for instance, to bring many participants and startups from everywhere in the world, the US, Israel, many other places. We are much more than a conference. The 2,000 people that are going to be every day joining this event will have a chance to really not only learn from speakers but also interact directly with startups and so on. And more importantly, we really want it to be holistic in our approach. So we decided to focus on 5 different topics or thematics: payments, digital banking, insurance, new trading platform, big data analytics, etc. But what's more important is that we are not going only to talk about each individual topics, but also try to identify what are the commonalities, the convergence between the different sectors. And it's very exciting to see that some of the changes that are taking place in FinTech are really taking place across the board, mixing payments with insurance, digital banking with insurance and trading platforms, and big data and analytics being one of the common aspects across all of these different sectors. So it's quite an extraordinary event, and I'm very proud that we have been able to put something so interesting together, and we hope that we'll see you at FinTech Connect Live in December.